You are welcome to how to create professional website using WordPress technology. WordPress is the easiest platform to create a website. You can say this is a demo website I create that I have basic information about the hotel, good slide. You can even book for hotel. You can book reservation online. You can check their direction on Google Map. You can see what they do and basic thing. Now we'll teach you how to create this website, not just how to create it, how to make money creating it for other people too. Now, in order for you to create a website, there are two things you need. You need a domain name and you need a host. For instance, vccghana.com is a domain name. ebay.com is a domain name. Then this website, you see the content is called host. So when you buy your domain and host, you can buy your domain and host from either bluehost.com, or you can go to Google and search for web hosting company in Ghana. You'll get some, but these are the sites that I normally buy mine from US. Now once you have your domain name and host, you log into it. There is what we call cPanel. It looks like this. So for instance, this is my cPanel. So how do I install WordPress on it? So when you log into your cPanel, you scroll down, and it depends on the cPanel you are using. Like for instance, in mine we have Softaculous. What this does is that it installs scripts on your website. WordPress is a script, Joomla is a script, and all that. Okay, so all I need to do here is to click here on Softaculous, and it will show me several scripts I can install on my website. So for now I need WordPress, so all I need to do here now is to click on install. Okay, now by default it will show you this is the directory. What it means is that, for instance, if I should leave this here and I install it, this WordPress will be on my domain, which is my vccghana.com, and already I have a website already that is running on it, which is my main website. But what I want to do is I want to create a sub directory. Like for instance, if you look at this vccghana.com/hotel, this is a subdomain under my website. Okay, I don't want to put it on a new website because it's a domain, it's a demo website. Okay, so all I need to do here now is just to type anything. So let me make this hotels. So the name of the website will now be vccghana.com//hotels. Okay, then I'll just click here. So this is where you now put your hotel name. It could be anything. So let me still go by my VCC Ghana. Let's say okay, VCC Ghana. It's a demo website. VCC Ghana hotels. Then here it's asking of my username and pass. So let me just put this as VCC Ghana also. Then let me make this one Accra 2015. Okay, so yeah, I'll put my admin email, so which is vccghana@gmail.com. okay, so login attempt is very good, so I'll click this. What this does is that it prevents people from having access to your website and all that. Okay, so if everything is okay, I'll just click here. Let me copy my email. I want them to send me a copy of the login details to my email so that it will be on my record in case if I forget it. Okay, so yeah, I'll just click here now and I'll click on install. So it's very easy. In the next few seconds it's done. Then you can start editing the website, and while it's going, this is what we'll do as a web developer. You don't design from scratch. It will take you time, most especially if you are a freelancer. Who is a freelancer? People that builds websites either for cheap for people all over the world. We'll show you several websites where you can go and develop this website and start making money instantly from the very first day you learn how to do it. Okay, for instance, this is a website, it's a hotel website. All I need to do is just to model on this site, look at the information, take some things out, take some things in. Like this is Alexa Hotel, so I can create mine. I can decide to create special offers and events. I can put conference and banqueting facilities. You just copy here and there. I'm not saying you should go and copy their content. No, you just look at it to tweak it and do what will suit you too. Okay, so for instance now, so this is my website. This is the WordPress we've just installed. So by default, this is how it looks like. It's loading. Okay, so this is our administrative URL. So this is where I will go and log in and start creating everything about the website. So by default, this is how it looks like. It's a WordPress template. So I will need to change this here now and install a new theme and everything. Okay, now all I need to do here now is to log in, which is VCC Ghana, and enter my password, Accra 2015, and click on login. If it's your PC, you can click here, remember. So because I know definitely I'm going to delete immediately this video is done, I'm going to delete it. I don't need it. Okay, so now the joy about WordPress is everything is run by template. Like if you look at this now, this is a template. We'll just install it and tweak it. In the next 10-20 minutes you are done. You don't need to start designing everything from scratch, writing codes and the rest. Okay, now the advantage of WordPress is that top popular sites in the world. So you can look at it. Wall Street Journal, they use WordPress, Time Magazine, CNN blogs and the rest. It's very good, it's very easy to use it. Even VCC Ghana is run on WordPress technology. Okay, so now what we'll do now is for us to get a template. A template is predefined design that somebody has done. So all I need to do is just to change my image, my content, and I'm done in some few minutes. Okay, now you can go online on Google and search for WordPress. So I can say WordPress, either you say theme or template, but usually it's theme. So I can say WordPress theme of the kind of website you want to do. So for instance, we are building a website for an hotel, so I can say WordPress theme for hotel. Okay, so it's going to give you, so you can set this one said 25 plus WordPress theme, wherever, so you can go and look at it. The one that I really like, then the very good ones are paid. You paid for them and you use them. Okay, so there is a website I normally get my WordPress theme from. It is called themeforest.net. okay, so if I go here, all I need to do now is just to search. Okay, so I'll click here and click on WordPress. Okay, so there are several themes or templates you can get here. So all I need to do here in their search bar, I'll just type hotel. Okay, so it will give me various themes and all that. So if you look at it now, this is the very one I use in my VCC Ghana hotel. That's the one I will use in this training. So you can scroll and look at all of them. So for instance, I wanted to use this. You can see it's $58. Okay, so you can buy it. But when you become a VIP member of VCC Ghana, we give you most of these themes for free that you can use to build any kind of website, not just hotel, real estate website, banking websites, all kinds, any types of websites. You get their team, we'll give you them, then we'll show you how to make use of them. Okay, so for instance, now when you see anything, the first thing you do is you preview it. That's to see how it looks like. Maybe it will suit whatever you want to design. So you can see this is the feature of the theme. So let me go here now. Okay, so if you look at it now, this is the demo. You can see that it's similar. I just model it here. You can see, just customize it, put my name, so I can change my color. You can change your background. I'll show you how to do all that depending on the logo or the color of the organization. So okay, let's say I'm okay with this. Let me close this. Okay, So now it's either you buy it. So once you buy it, it comes like this. This is what they'll send to you. Now this is the WordPress theme here. So all I need to do here now, this is what we call plugins. This is all this are technical. You don't need anything here. The only thing you need here is the WordPress theme that we'll just upload to our site. Okay, so how do I upload this WordPress theme to my site? Okay, so I'll go back to our dashboard. This is called your dashboard. So the first thing I'll do here is to click on appearance, then I'll click on themes. Okay, then I'll click here add new themes, and click on upload themes. There are some free ones you can see here by default, but they are not professional like the paid one. So I'll click here browse and look for my theme. Okay, so yeah, it's on my desktop. Okay, so it's good you put everything on a folder so that you know where you are looking for. So this is the theme here, so I'll click on it. This is the theme, so I'll click here. So old hotel, that's the name of the theme. So I'll just click here and upload it and click on install now. So depending on the speed of your internet, so maybe in the next 1 minute or so thereabout, it will be ready. Then you can start customize it. You see, once I install it, now everything here will change and all that. Okay, so now while it's loading, let me talk a little bit about WordPress training course. Usually we sell this course for 75 cedis, but right now we are giving it to free for our VIP members. This is what will teach you how to add whatever use it to create for churches and all that on WordPress. So I think our team is ready. So it will take you here. So all I need to do here now is to click on activate. So I'll just activate the theme. Okay, so all I need to do now is to go back here to our front end and click on refresh here to see the changes that we've done. Okay, so you can see now that this is the new thing. So what we need to do now is to customize it. Okay, now let's go back here. Now we need to install what we call plugins. What this plugins does is that it does professional things on your website, like our booking script. You said this now, if I want to book in the hotel and all that, it is the plugins that does that. Okay, so I'll go back to our dashboard here and I'll click on begin installing plugins. So it will install it for you. The name of the plugin is called Quite Nice Booking. It's a plugin for you to book. So it's just simple. Just click on install. It will do everything for you automatic. Yeah. So I think everything is ready now. So I'll just click here and activate it. Okay. So the following plugin was activated successfully. Okay. So if I should click here now, so you can see this is the plugin QNS booking. Okay, so I'll come back to that, how we'll customize these plugins. So now what we do now is for us to edit our front page so that we will have we will make our front page so that we'll have our slide about the hotel. We have basic information about the hotel too. We will have the overview of the hotel. We'll have direction to the hotel, which is Google Map. Then maybe some testimonials about the hotel. Then we can now put some things. This is our slide on Flickr. We can put your Twitter tweets here. So you can put your Facebook fan page here. You can put your social media buttons and the rest. Okay, so how do we do that? Now, the joy about WordPress is that the developer of this theme, most of them, they've done most of everything you need, how you customize it and all that, so you don't stress yourself. So let me go back to it so you can see this is our theme. This is the design. Photoshop, if you know Photoshop, you can edit all this. These are the templates that come with it. This is the licensing. This is the basic data if you want to use their data. So while this is the documentation, this is where it will now teach you how to make use of the theme. So because I don't want to stress myself, so you can see this is the theme installation. We've done all that already. This is the booking plugin. We'll come back to this while this is getting started, navigations and the rest. Okay, so what I'm interested here is the home page, because I want to edit the home page. Okay, so by default, if you look at it here, this is what it said. This is how the theme is. Everything you can see. This is space 1, space 2, space 3. How you do that, when you scroll down, it will be teaching you. So I will explain all this to us. Okay, so let's go back here now and create our home page. Okay, so the first thing I'll need to do is to create a page called home page. So you can see here pages. So I'll click here and add new. Okay, so I'll just make this my home. Okay, then I'll click here under the template default, then I'll make this home page 1. Okay, so I'll come back to here if you want to put an image and the rest. So I'll just click here, publish. Yeah. Now the template also come with some demo pages. You can just install them here now. So I can just click here, install pages. It will add the pages, so you can see these are necessary pages you need and all that. So I'll just click here, save changes and the rest. Okay, so I'm good. So if I should click here now to edit our home page, let's go back to our tutorial and close this, close this, close this. Okay, now let me go back to our tutorial. I said if I want to add logo, text file, all I need to do is to go to general, whatever. I don't want to put a logo now. So here, main menus and the rest. Okay, so for me to do that now, all I need to do here is to go to our settings. Okay, and click on reading. So it's saying show. By default it will show our latest post. These are our latest posts, that is why it's like this. But I want it to show a static page, so I'll just click here, show a static page, front page. Then I'll click on home because I want it to show home, and click here, save changes. That's all I need to do here. Now when I get to the site and I refresh it, so we'll see how it looks like. So you can see that it has taken shape. Okay, so what I need to do here now is to start editing our home page by clicking on appearance here, and I'll click on theme options. Okay, okay, so yeah, these are the general settings. Yeah, if I want to put a logo, if I want to put favicon, but I'll leave most of these things for now. I would explain them better when you subscribe to our VIP service. I don't want this video to be too long, so yeah, I can just put our copyright, which is something like this for the hotel. So I can say this is Ghana at 2015, copyright, wherever. just do copy and paste here. Okay, so I'll just paste it here. Okay, so I think for now this is all I need to do here. So I'll click here on save all changes. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is our styling option. So here it comes with some color streams, so depending on what you are doing, but you can still edit all this at your time, depending on. So for instance, I can decide to use blue and black. Okay, so let me just save it so that we'll see how it looks like. So by default it's black and gold. You can see all this is gold. So if I should click here on save changes and go to our page here, and we'll see that all this will now be changed to blue. So you can see, so depending on the color of what you are doing and the rest. Okay, so let me go back here again. So all these are the colors, so we'll teach you all of them at our VIP, but we don't want this video to be too long, like as I said before. So the third thing is our home page. Okay, so yeah, I'll click here. I want it to show slideshow. This is our slideshow, so that it will have a slide, pictures of our hotel and the rest. Okay, so I'll click here, tick here to display home page, then tick here autoplay. Okay, so this is where I'll now add our slide. So the first thing I'll do here now is to add our slide URL, the image. Okay, so all I need to do here now is to click here on upload, and then you see here select files. So already I'll go back. So already I have my images already that I've downloaded, so I'll just click here slide. Okay, and then you can see that it's here. So this is what I need here. I'll just copy the URL. This is where the image is on my website, so I'll just copy it. That's all I need here. Save all changes. Okay, so I'll just copy my image URL here, so you can see it's here. If you want to put a title, that will be in front of the slide and all that, so you put it here. Then here is link URL. That is when they click on the slide, where do you want it to take them to? Like for instance, as it's rolling, if I should click on it, if I want it to take me to a page on our website, so I can just put it there. So as it is, I don't have any page, I'll put it there. I'll just put my pound sign here, and that's it. Okay, so now all I need to do here now is to click on save changes and then preview it on our home page to see how it looks like. So it's better so that you'll be doing you'll be checking what you are doing, so you can see this is how it is. Okay, this is a slide, so I'll still come back and clean all this. Okay, now let's go back and add more slides images. Okay, so we got, you saw how I did it. I just upload the image on my server and all that. So if I want to add a new slide now, this is one, I'll just click here on add new slide and do the same. Okay, so I'll pause this video and upload audio slide, then audio slides now. So if I go to my page here now and I click on refresh, you see that I have more slides on it. So that's how you add a slide. It's so simple. Okay, so that's that about the slide. Okay, so let's continue on our page. Now we have our slide, then we have what we call our block title. This is our block title here. Let me go here. This is where we'll put the other content. So this is our blog title 1, blog title 2, then our locations here. So these are blogs, so I can put anything. I can decide to put a video here, I can decide to put an image here, I can so I'm just making it easy. So depending on what you are designing, so you can put anything here you want. So I just want to follow this model. So all I need to do now is to do our first block, which is this, the first one. So I'll go to our home page and I'll scroll down. Just minimize this. Okay, so block title 1. So if you look at it now, this is where I'll now put the title. So if I go here now in our hotel, so I can just make this is Ghana hotel. So depending on what you are designing, it can be the organizations, the hotel name, or whatever, or the title of the features you want to put. So let me still go by rates. Okay, so this is where I'll now put the content here. The content are this informations here you see, VCC Ghana hotel, whatever. So you put your image here. Okay, so I'll just click here now and add my text here, VCC Ghana. Then I'll click here. Now this is the technical part of it. It is called HTML, but you don't need to do anything here. I will not have time to explain the meaning of all this, but all you need to do here is just to copy your content and put it here at the middle here, paste it. Okay, so if you want your image to appear, there is an image HTML code. I will explain that too at the advanced part of the training. So let me just copy the one I have on my website here already in the hotel, on the one I did. So this is the code. It is called image code. You just put your whatever here and you, okay, so let me just copy and paste it here. Everything is on the theme description and everything, all these codes that I will do here. But because I don't want the video to be too technical and boring, I will take my time to explain them to you. Okay, so I'll just click here now, go back here and paste it. Okay, so yeah, this is where you now have your button. Okay, what this button simply means is that when you go to our page here, you see read more. So when you click this will now take you to about us, which is where you now have the complete information of the hotel, what the hotel does and the rest. So I'll just type here about more, which is read more, and okay, so this is our link. So this is where you now put the link where it will go to, maybe like your website or something, so that when they click it, it goes to your website, the about us page. But let me just leave it like this. Okay, so when you are done, I'll just click here, save all changes. Then you go to your page and preview to see what you've done so far. Okay, so you can see that it's there. So gradually the site is taking shape. So if I click here, it will take you to our about us page. So this is the blog title. This is where we'll now put our features. Okay, now if we go back to our theme, our tutorial that comes with the theme, you can see this. So now, so far so good. We've left the logo. We'll talk about the map, then we'll talk about all these menus later. Okay, we've done the slide, which is 7. We'll talk 8, which is the booking, later. So now we'll do 10. So if you look at it now, this is where you have the hotel overview, 10. So if I scroll on the tutorial, you see 10. They said you should go to appearance, themes. That's where we are now. So you just add this code. This is where you list. So you just put your features here, you put your features here, you can copy it. Are you getting it? Okay, so I already have them already because I don't want the video to be too long. So I'll click here, and it's called hotel HTML. So you can see, so this is what I'll just copy and post. So if you have more features here, I can say this. Let's say I want to add more features here. I can click here, here maybe just type free breakfasts, maybe for guests or whatever. Okay, so let me just copy this code. You see what we'll use it for here. Ctrl C, and go back to our block again. So you can see here, so we've done our slide, we've done the block title 1. So now right now we'll go to block title 2. You get it? So the code will copy. I'll just paste it here inside here. That's the feature of the hotel, and paste it. Okay, so it's that simple. So if we go by our model here, block title 2, so it will be hotel overview. So I'll just copy it. It's very simple, and put it here. So if you have more features of the hotel, so I can just read more here, and put the link. Okay, so let me still leave it like this. Then I'll click on save all changes. Okay, so that's that about that. So let's go to our front page and preview. So you can see, so this is the hotel overview is there. So everything is taking shape now. So the last one I'll do here, I can decide to put a video here, maybe on the slide of the hotel, but let me just still go by my model and put direction to the hotel on Google Map. Okay, so if we go back to our tutorial here, you see that's page 11. This is where we have our Google code here. You've seen it. Okay, so I'll just copy our code and post it. I'll show us how to get this Google Map direction post later in the video. So let me just copy the one I have here on the site, the one that I did. It's for an address in High Street, Accra. So I'll just copy it, Ctrl C here. It's as simple as that. Then I'll click here on location. It will be on our block 3. You see it, block 3 button. So I can just put here direction. So you click here to get direction. So this is where I'll just put the content, which is our Google Map code there, and that's so I'll type here maybe location, or you just look at it here. So I can type locations here so that it will look like this. Then that'll be all. So I'll click on save changes again. Okay, so let's go back to our page and refresh again to see what we've done so far. So you can see it. So this is our location. This is the hotel location in High Street. I'll teach us how to do this Google Map on a separate video, how to get your exact location. Okay, so our page is taking shape. So now let me clean the URL here. Okay, so how do I do that? This is called menu. So I'll go back to, Okay, let me see if there is any other thing we can do on our home page here again. We've done our buttons here. If you want to put photo gallery, so we don't need all that. Okay, so let me go back here. Okay, so let me go to our menu. So I'll click here, appearance, menu. So what I want to do now is to go to 4, 5 and 6. That's to change all this. Then change this menu 3, 2. So how do we do that? When you go to the tutorial here, it will show you how to do all that 3. So you can see this is menu. So you can create our menu and all that. Okay, so I've already opened the page, so I'll just make this, let's say, primary, maybe primary menu or so, and click on create new. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to add some pages to it. So I'll click here, home. I think so far so good. That's the pages we have. Click here, home, and click on add to menu. Okay, so I'll click here on save menu. So all those things we have there will be gone now. So let me refresh the page. So you see it here. Okay, let me go to our menu and make it my primary navigation and footer navigation. That's up and down. Then I'll click on save menu and refresh the page again. Okay, so you've seen it. So now we have just one menu here, home. So we'll add the others later. Okay, so that's that about that. So let's go back here now and create extra pages. So here we have our pages here. So we have this, our services pages. I'll just click on copy and paste here. So let me just do this now and see our services. I'll just copy all the content here. Okay, let me not make it too long. Let me just copy this. Okay, so I'll just copy the content, then go to our page here, and go to our left. You see pages and add new. So I'll make this services and paste the content here. So default templates. So I can just leave it as default template, then click on save. Okay, so I have created the service page, but now if you go to our page and you refresh it, you see that the service link it's not on our menu. You get it? So that when people click on it. So how do we do that? So we'll go back to our menu and add the page. We'll go to appearance here, then we'll click on menu. We'll click here on menu and we'll scroll down. You see services here, add, so it will come here and I'll just click on save menu. So that's how you add your menu. It's as simple as that. Okay, so now let me refresh the page. So you've seen it now. We have our services page here now. So let me go back to our model, which is this, and add other pages to it. You've seen it, like accommodations, contact us, and the rest. Okay. So that's that about that. So let's go back and we'll look here. So here we have our testimonials. So we can now add testimonials to it. So it's simple. But what I'll do here is to add accommodation. So this is where you now add your room. Okay, so I'll just click here, add room. So what it does is that let me go back here now, click on accommodations. This is where you have the type of room you have in your hotel, the name of the room. So for instance, here I have standard rooms, I have double rooms, I have deluxe room. You've seen it. So depending, so you can decide to use cedis or you can decide to use dollars depending on the specification. So this is how you add accommodations to it. All I need to do is to click here, accommodation, and maybe type standard room. Okay, and paste the content here. So yeah, if I wanted to have features image, I'll click here and add the images to it. Let me just add 1, 2, 3 and click on add to slideshow here. Then if I want featured image, I'll just click here, choose any of this. Let me use this and put the price. So let me make it 100. Then the feature, 1 room, maximum occupancy, the number of people who can live in the room. So here, this is where you now put the size of the room. So here, let me just type city here. Number of bedrooms, blah, 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 and all that. If you want to put additional features, you put them here, and I'll just click on publish. Okay. Now if I go and check it to see how it looks like, so it looks like this. So you've seen it. So this is how it will look like, our room. So this is the slide. This is like that. Okay, so let me add another room to it. So I'll just click here, add new room. Then so let me make this one, let me still use the same content here. Okay, and paste it here, and type the name of the room, so I can say double, maybe double deluxe or something, or double room, and add slideshows. So you just upload it, but let me still use the one I have already and click here. Okay, so featured image, still the same process, and then set as featured image. So I just click here, enter the price. So let me make this one 150. 150, and I can just leave the rest like this. Okay. Okay, so let me add the last room. So you can put as much room you want to put. So let me say VIP room or whatever, or let me say VIP room, and still use the same process. Add my slideshows. Okay, and add to slideshows, set featured image, set featured image. Make this one maybe 200, and then number of, I can change the room to 3 depending on the specification, and then click on publish. Okay, so once I'm done now, so we have all my 3 rooms ready. So all I need to do now is to go to, if you refresh our page, you see that we still have only home and services. So I wanted to add accommodations to it. Then I'll just click here, go to appearance, our menu again, then accommodations, add to menu. Okay, let me just add the contact us too. Then add to menu and click on save. So automatic, those information will be there. So let me go to our, refresh our page back. So you can see, so we have it. So if I should click on accommodation now, so this is it. Okay, so simple now. So let's do the final thing. Let me check availability. So here, check-in. So I'll just put in the dates that I want to check in. Let me say I'm checking in today, which is 21st. Then I'll check out on the 22nd. The number of rooms 1. So I'll click number of adults who are coming 1, maybe children 2. Then I'll click on check availability. So it will take me to the next step. So this is where I will now select my room. Let's say I need the standard room. So I'll click here, select room. So this is where it will now ask me to enter my name, which is Ife Peter, my email address, VCC Ghana enter my telephone number, enter my address, enter the country here. So if any requirements, you put it. So how do I want to pay? PayPal. So once I click here now and I click on book now, it will take me to PayPal account directly to make payment. So once you have a PayPal account, you just pay and all that. Okay, please need to forward this page to PayPal. So once that is done, then that'll be all. Okay, so let me go back. So that's how you make your page and all that. So it's very easy to do it. And thank you for watching.